I hear a lot about ETFs, but I'm not sure what they even are.
ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. What it is in general, okay, is it's a synthetic fund, meaning it's a fund that gets created by an institution, and they're going to have a culmination of things involved in that fund. It's going to be balanced or weighted. You can include anything in there. Cash accounts, bonds, treasuries, stocks, equities, right? All those things. It could even be cryptocurrencies. And they're going to label it something. So a majority of anyone's retirement, whether it's a 401k, an IRA, it's going to be involved, allocated to ETFs. But we also, just to kind of follow up with that, we teach towards specific ETFs here in the academy. So maybe that's where you've been hearing that word a lot.